Good morning, guys. How's it going? Thank you for tuning in to another video. Brush SRT here. This morning I hit up a local tint shop and they're able to get me in, so we're taking the Mustang over to the tint shop to finally get rid of this fishbowl. I'm tired of people looking at me while I drive, so this is gonna be awesome. I'm getting the whole thing tinted. I know it's against the California law to have everything tinted, but I feel like a lot of people get away with this, so I should be all right. And it's gonna make the car look so much more aggressive with the new tint getting put on. So I'm super pumped and excited. I'm gonna film the whole process for you guys, show you exactly what I'm getting done to the car and how they're doing it. I hit up a local tint shop. It's a smaller shop that's getting started, so we're trying to help them out, get the word out there about them. I heard they do really good work, so here we go. Alrighty guys, so just pulled up to the tint shop. The Mustang is finally getting a tint. It definitely needs it. I can't do the fishbowl anymore. And we're just getting it positioned into place. Here we go. She's gonna look so good once she's fully done. What do you think? How dark are we gonna go?
However dark you want it.
Oh man, that's the tough decision I need to make right now. Do I go super dark in California, where I know for a fact it's gonna be a big headache with the cops, especially where I live, but I think she needs to be dark, especially with the block. I have to do it. So I think we're gonna do probably like 5% all the way around and maybe a 50 on the front windshield. So I don't know. I want to surprise you guys with it though. So here we go. Alrighty guys, so the back half looks like it's about done. Now we're working on the front. As you can see here, the fishbowl look is no good. Now the back is looking much better. And a big reason I wanted to tint the car is because of the interior. I really wanted to preserve the interior. You know, it's not very good when you have the sun just hitting this leather. It'll dry it out and ruin it. So having it tinted is a very, very good thing. A lot of you guys have been asking me what this is. This is just a sticker that came from the dealership. We're gonna get it removed today finally. I know you guys saw it in yesterday's video and everyone was commenting, hey, why do you have that sticker? I didn't put it there, it just came on the car, but it's getting removed today. Don't worry, I got you guys. Alrighty guys, so he's actually filing it down, and I haven't seen this done before. So the reason they're doing that is because if you get window tint, sometimes it looks like it's aftermarket. By doing that, he's making it look like it's factory, so he's doing really good work. And the car's kind of super clean. Alrighty guys, so the last step, the tint is already complete. So now we're doing something a little different. He's adding in like a clear, kind of like an expel type of a material. And what it does is pretty much just gonna help prevent like door dings on the side. And also it's gonna, you know, the door handles, when you grab them, sometimes people have nails, girls, stuff like that, they scratch it up. So it's a little patch that goes in there and helps prevent that. So especially on black paint, it's gonna be really nice. And that is something he's thrown in with the tint. So if you guys are interested in getting your car tinted and you want this extra added protection, it's not gonna come at an extra cost to you. Be sure to check out the spot, guys, West Coast Tint. I mean, the car is just looking absolutely mean with this front windshield tinted and everything. And the good thing is I'll probably be able to see, because on the Challenger I have limo all the way around, and then the front is not tinted at all. So it kind of gets a little difficult to see at night because there's such a big difference between the windows. But with this, I don't think it's going to be all that bad. So definitely happy with the way it looks. I'm excited. So I'm doing the first drive with the car being tinted, and I'll tell you what, it's actually not too bad. Not really affecting the visibility all that much, especially from the front windshield and the sides. So I think this is a very good percentage to do if you're trying to still have, you know, a safe drive at nighttime. Because I'll tell you what, the Challenger, the side windows are pretty much useless. They're so dark, it's really hard to see, and that's primarily because I got them done in a limo grade. So it's very, very hard to see because all the light is coming from the front of the car and nothing from the sides. So with this car, I went 50% on the front windshield, and on the sides we did the 20, and it looks pretty damn good, if I must say so. It's not overly extreme, especially if I'm looking out to the sides. So I think it's good. I think it's a good happy medium. The back looks dark enough to where people are high beaming you, it doesn't, you know, bother you and get up all in your face. So definitely recommend you guys going with the setup, especially if you have a Mustang. 50 right here, 20 on the sides, and do 5 in the back. You should be pretty happy with it. I'm pretty happy, but like I said, I'm gonna wait till the morning time to show you guys exactly how it looks, and then we'll give you a little montage of the car and show you exactly how mean this thing got with just a little bit of a tint job. That's all it took, really. So I'm super stoked to show you guys how she looks in the morning. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video for tonight. I'll catch you guys up in the morning. Peace. Alrighty guys, it is the next day and the car is looking absolutely amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a few shots of the car with the tint job. Man, it looks great. Let's go ahead and kind of do a quick little walk around. So as I told you guys, we did a 50% in the front windshield, which isn't too dark, but it is good enough to prevent the sun from getting in and kind of getting really hot in there. The sides we did a 20, so you still kind of have it's dark, but you can kind of see a visual of who's behind the wheel. And then the back gets really dark with the limo, so you can't really see much at all back here or through the side windows. Now, this to me looks pretty good for California. If I was anywhere else where I'm allowed to have a darker tint, I probably would go darker. But being that I'm in California and they are pretty strict about having anything on the windshield, you're not supposed to have it all. And the side windows, they give a lot of people trouble if they have them dark. So that's why I'm pretty satisfied with this. I think it looks really good, and definitely gives the car a nice mean look, a nice clean look. And most importantly, it keeps it very nice and cool inside, so that way I'm not cooking, especially when the summer comes around and it gets really hot around here. So now I'm going to show you kind of the interior and how it looks from the inside. So from the inside, it's not bad actually, because I drove last night with it, and the sides you can definitely still see through them, both of them, and the windshield is not, you know, bad whatsoever. I've seen guys that do like 5% on the windshield. I don't know how they do it. That's really crazy to me, but I think this is really good. And now, before I wrap up this video, I just want to say I want you guys to go over and show some love to West Coast Tint, just because it's a one-man kind of shop and he's trying to do a lot by himself, and I want to support that because he did such an amazing work and he gives a really good customer service. And he didn't ask me to do this or anything like that, but I just really want to help the guy out, especially since he's getting started, and I know how hard it is to start your own business and take that risk. So if you guys can go show some love, maybe leave a like on their business page or their Yelp, you know, just comment something nice, that would be amazing. I really would appreciate it. I'm sure he would too. And yeah, we kind of just need to help these smaller guys in this big corporate world where there's a lot of big giant businesses. The small guy that's really trying to make it should get some support. So that's gonna be it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you leave a like on it. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We have a lot more mods coming, a lot more changes to the Mustang in the next coming weeks and days, stuff like that. I'm just waiting for stuff to come in. Excuse me. But I will see you guys tomorrow. My name is Rush. I'm in the GT today, and we'll catch you here tomorrow. Peace.